Okay, there?
There. Wait, over there.
Only this one.
Only this one, not over there.
Damn.
It's better seeing over here, right?
Yeah.
It's better seeing normal.
There's no more over there. That's a colorful one.
Rainbow, that's a color of a rainbow.
Angel, look at it.
I have to look at it in real life. I just have to.
No, it's the same thing.
No, but this one has less colors. That one has shooting.
Look up! Look up!
Galaxy.
That's an oboe.
That's a galaxy, dude.
Heart. You just missed the heart.
I got a little bit.
Look at that. It's a UFO. It's marked.
Got Saturn.
Oh, that was a planet.
Saturn.
Saturn. Mars. Another banking planet.
Gonna share this on YouTube.
Oh, shit! YouTube, oh, cool. So subscribers, cool.
Saturn.
At 4th of July.
Paris at LA.
Yeah,
You say fireworks?
got fireworks. 4th of July.
Woo! I mean, fireworks at LA Fairplay.
Can I? And then now I'm getting tired.
No, dude.
Fine then, someone hold it, please.
I'll hold it. Oh, this is better. Oh my god. There you go. Full screen. Full screen. Full steam ahead.
One, 3, 2, 1. Baby stuff.
Right here, there's a getting fireworks on. Oh, dang.
I just like the sound of it. Huh?
Dude, it's like bang, bang, bang.
Bang, bang. 3, 2, 1, bang. Make it. Bigger?
Like this.
These are not here.
Caught it. Enjoy, caught it. I'll make it smaller a little bit. Yeah. Like that.
Yeah, that's better.
That's long. Hey, Luis, hold it. For me? Get in back of me. Get in back of me. And hold it. Go.
Dude, we just really went 2 times.
Omar, stop. Sorry, dude.
I could see it.
Over here is better.
Yeah, over here is better.
Look at it like that. Just look up and leave it like that. Because you're gonna know it's gonna be there.
3, 2, 1. Got it.
Oh, I like these.
Got them for you.
Look at these. These are your mama's shoes. They're shoes. They're shoes.
I'm already 5 minutes inside.
It takes 2 minutes.
You should send it.
I will send it, so when can I end it?
Put Fairplex.
And say,
Fireworks at Fairplex.
and say,
Look over there.
oh yeah.
Do it stupid. Just put it back like that. Now put it at that. Now put it at that.
Now can I end it? Can someone hold it?
Make it bigger.
There you go. Right here.
Can someone hold it now? Someone hold it. Please hold it. Someone hold it.
Look at.
Alex, hold it. Any help?
I was gonna hold it.
Just end it if you wanna. You're gonna end it. You can end it.
Don't end it. No, don't end it. I was born like this, man. So Diego.
Oh, look at that.
Hey, Diego.
There we go.
Angel, this is a real round. Because the blade 2 rounds, the first 2 rounds are warm up. This is the real one.
Alexander, USA. USA.
Yeah, school. This year is better. Yeah, way better than
Yeah,
last
it's better
year.
than last year. I remember seeing it last year.
I did.
I also yesterday went to the La Puente one too.